This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the RVMH Museum and Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. Welcome to the RV Motorhome Museum and Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana, in the heart of RV country. This incredible destination is a must-visit for anyone who loves RVing, history, or simply exploring unique museums. Here you'll step into a celebration of the people, innovations, and milestones that built the RV lifestyle we enjoy today. The Hall of Fame honors pioneers and visionaries who shaped the industry. From the earliest motorhome manufacturers to modern leaders who continue to push RVing forward. These beautifully restored campers, travel trailers, and motorhomes show how far the industry has come. From tiny teardrops of the 1930s to gleaming luxury motorhomes, the collection takes you on a nostalgic journey through time. It's fascinating to see the creativity and craftsmanship that went into these early rigs, many of which were built by hand and customized for adventurous families. You'll also discover the evolution of amenities and features that we now take for granted. Imagine cooking in a tiny galley kitchen from the 1950s or sleeping in a prototype tent trailer. These historical RVs help you appreciate just how much the industry has grown, with today's models offering everything from slide-outs to solar power. Beyond the vintage rigs, the Hall of Fame showcases the economic and cultural impact of RVing in America. RVs played a major role in shaping family vacations, road trips, and even business travel. You'll gain a deeper understanding of why RVing has become such a beloved tradition across generations. The impressive facility has over 100,000 square feet of space dedicated to preserving and telling the RV story. It's not just for history buffs. Kids and adults alike will be captivated by the exhibits, and RV enthusiasts will walk away with a greater appreciation for the lifestyle. Whether you're passing through Elkhart on a road trip, attending the area's many RV rallies, or specifically planning a visit, the RVMH Hall of Fame is well worth the stop. It's a place to celebrate the past, appreciate the present, and get inspired about the future of RVing. Every RV tells a story, and at the RVMH Museum and Hall of Fame, you'll get to experience the stories of them all. The next time you're in Elkhart, Indiana, don't miss your chance to learn more about the history of the RV industry at the RVMH Museum and Hall of Fame.